What if I told you that life on Mars might not be science fiction? For decades, scientists have been searching the red planet for signs that life once existed, or may still exist today. Mars is cold, dry, and covered in dust, but hidden beneath its surface could be clues that change everything we know about life in the universe. So, is life on Mars really possible? What evidence do scientists have? And could humans one day live there? Let's explore the fascinating mystery of Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and one of Earth's closest neighbors. It is often called the Red Planet because of the iron-rich dust covering its surface. Mars is about half the size of Earth and has a much thinner atmosphere. But despite its harsh conditions today, Mars wasn't always like this. Billions of years ago, Mars may have been a very different world. A planet with rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans. This is why scientists believe Mars is one of the best places in our solar system to search for life. Water is essential for life as we know it. And one of the biggest discoveries about Mars is that water once flowed across its surface. NASA rovers and satellites have found dried-up river valleys, lake beds, and minerals that can only form in the presence of water. Scientists have also discovered massive amounts of frozen water at the planet's poles. Even more exciting, evidence suggests that liquid water may still exist deep underground. If water existed for millions of years, it raises an important question. Could life have developed there too? When people think about life on Mars, they often imagine aliens. But scientists are mainly looking for microscopic life. On Earth, tiny organisms called microbes can survive in some of the most extreme environments imaginable. They live in deserts, deep underground, near volcanoes, and even in Antarctica. If microbes can survive in these harsh places on Earth, similar organisms might have existed on ancient Mars. Some researchers believe that if life ever appeared on Mars, microbial life would be the most likely form. The challenge is finding direct evidence. So far, no mission has discovered undeniable proof of Martian life. But the search continues. One of the most intriguing clues is methane gas. Methane has occasionally been detected in the Martian atmosphere. Why is this important? Because on Earth, much of our methane is produced by living organisms. However, methane can also be created through geological processes without life. This means methane alone doesn't prove life exists, but it does make scientists curious. Something is producing methane on Mars, and researchers are still trying to determine exactly what it is. Could it be geological activity, or could tiny microbes be responsible? The mystery remains unsolved. Over the years, several robotic explorers have been sent to Mars. Among the most famous are Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance. These rovers act like mobile laboratories, studying rocks, soil, and the atmosphere. The Perseverance rover is especially important because it is searching for signs of ancient microbial life. It is collecting rock samples that may one day be returned to Earth for detailed analysis. Scientists hope these samples could reveal whether Mars once hosted living organisms. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to answering one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Even if we don't find Martian life, humans may eventually travel there. But living on Mars would be extremely difficult. The atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide and contains very little oxygen. Temperatures can drop to -125 degrees Celsius. Radiation levels are much higher than on Earth, and there is no readily available food or breathable air. Future astronauts would need advanced habitats, protective equipment, and reliable sources of water and energy. Despite these challenges, organizations like NASA and SpaceX are working toward making human missions to Mars a reality. Some experts believe humans could reach Mars within the coming decades. Imagine the impact of discovering life on Mars. It would be one of the most important scientific discoveries in history. It would prove that life can emerge on more than one world. And if life developed independently on Mars, it would suggest that the universe may be filled with living worlds. Such a discovery would transform biology, astronomy, and our understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos. It could also inspire future generations to explore even farther into space. So, is life on Mars possible? The answer is yes, it is possible. Mars once had water, may still have underground reservoirs, and shows signs that conditions suitable for life existed in the distant past. Scientists have not yet found definitive proof of life, but the evidence continues to grow. With every rover, every mission, and every new discovery, we get closer to uncovering the truth. Perhaps one day the red planet will reveal that we are not alone after all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let us know in the comments, do you think life exists on Mars? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.